So let's begin the bind off process as we go, and I like to go in this direction here in order to do it. So to start, I'm going to go from the second to the second one, and I'm gonna do what is called as a U-stitch. So I've been wrapping like this. This time I don't want to do that. I want to come onto the outside first and then onto the inside. And it's got to be taut, but you don't want it to be too tight because then it'll be a problem for you in the future. So you're going to take the bottom one of this and you're going to push it up over top of the peg plus that other one that we just wrapped with. It's called the U-stitch or the U-wrap. And now we're gonna take this one here and move it to the first one. You will notice that it will give it a bit of flexibility when you go to do that. And that's what you're looking for, because if you're too tight then it will be a really problem. So now you're gonna take the bottom over the top, and now you're gonna take this one and put it back. It's not the same loop that you started with when you were there. And now you're going to begin the next one. So taking your feeder and come on the outside and wrap around and knit that one first. Now move this one over and now take the bottom one here and knit over the top. And now you're gonna move back. Okay, so U up and over, move over, and then bottom over the top and move back. And you're gonna do that all the way across to the very end. So I'll meet you on the very last ones in just a moment. When you get all the way to the last two, you are going to U-wrap the last one and take the bottom over the top, take the bottom and move it over, and then take the bottom and over. So you end up with one loop left on there. So carefully taking that off, and you want to use your fingers and you want to snip the yarn coming from the yarn ball. And you were going to take that yarn and put it through that last loop, and that's the only way that it's gonna prevent it from unraveling itself. And just kind of tug on it a little bit, and you want to take a tapestry needle like that. Okay, and turn it to the back side. You'll notice that there's a good side and a bad side, so a right side and a wrong side. So going to the back side, just dragging that yarn through and go through once, and when you pull on it you don't want to change the shape of the project, so just pull with confidence but not over pull, and then you're gonna go back in a different path and just stay on this side. So don't let that needle go to the good side of the work, and go back in the other direction and then one more time across, and therefore that would be the end of that. And then you can just snip it right down, and you can do the same with the very beginning, and this is a flat panel on a round loom.